let's go.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Slow down or speed up or what?
Well, it's full on skid the whole way down from top to bottom, waiting for you.
Yeah. You see that stump there as you're looking on the right side of the trail?
No.
There's a little stump just above the drop there.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a sketchy line if you hit it off that and then land between the two tree roots. Fun though.
Oh, got some noise on phone steady.
What?
Just looking at people on phone steady.
Oh. Sliding down the hill. You want to lead through this, Nate? You seem to have a good speed. I don't know if you think it'll stop you.
Go ahead, Dan. Go, go, go. Okay, I'll go. Jesus.
Fucking launched out of it. Nothing, I thought I was going to eat it though.
Oh, that's greasy at the bottom.
Yeah.
Why are we going that way? What's that way?
Did I not have come down here?
It's just the dropped off there so we don't have to go back up that way.
What's that over there?
What?
Nothing.
Did I walk back up?
Nah. I just assumed this way anyway because it gives you more speed for the next section.
This one.
It's fine, there's a hot stick there. Alright, we can go.
Oh, that was scary.
There was another chute. It was scary for you?
Yeah, scary.
That was pretty steep.
No, I was sitting down as I'm cresting the top of it and I'm like, oh fuck, I better stand the fuck up.
That's pretty, it was steep.
I couldn't get my grip on in time. Yeah.